Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. After a flight readiness review meeting, NASA says all systems are go for launch for the launch of the SpaceX Crew-6 mission to the International Space Station. The weather is looking great for an on-time liftoff with only 5% of violations. I will give a link in the description to watch the launch live here on this channel. Back at Starbase, it is non-stop welding work on the OLM, and installation of the OLM shields continues. The 9th shielding plate was installed yesterday, and crews worked overnight to weld the support struts for the remaining plates. It looks like SpaceX is in a hurry to install the remaining ones as soon as they can. Both the HPU covers have now been installed as well. So, it is safe to say we are really close to launch, and soon we will see the final stacking of S-24 with Booster 7 for an orbital flight. On Friday night, Starship S-25, after making a pit stop at the production site, was moved to its new shelter at Massey's test site. We all know the high bay and mega bay are a little overcrowded at the moment. SpaceX didn't want to keep the rocket in front of the high bay for long, so they decided to move it further up to the new SpaceX test site. S-25 is expected to be here at least until the launch of orbital test flight. A rescue spacecraft for the 3 stranded astronauts on the International Space Station arrived yesterday at the space station. The Russian Soyuz MS-23 spacecraft docked at the space station at 7:58 p.m. Eastern Time. This new uncrewed spacecraft will bring home the 3 astronauts from the previous Soyuz MS-22 mission. Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft suffered a coolant leak issue back in mid-December last year. With the arrival of this new spacecraft, the 3 members' crew can now stay in their new home and will have an extended stay at the space station until September this year before they can plan their return journey back to planet Earth. Those are the latest updates I can give you for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more SpaceX and space-related news. Thank you for watching.